You don't need to pay anyone to make your invoices anymore. With AI, you can create a professional business invoice in just a few minutes completely free, no sign-up, no complicated setup. Alright, let's jump in. I'll show you exactly how it's done step by step. First, go to FreeAiDen.com. You don't even need to create an account or log in. Just scroll down until you see the invoice generator option and click on it. Now you'll see a clean, simple page. Here you'll enter the details for whatever you're creating the invoice for: your business name, address, email, phone number, invoice number, and date. Then right below that, add your client's information, whoever you're sending the invoice to. Once everything's filled in, hit preview. And there it is, a perfectly formatted, professional-looking invoice created by AI in seconds. If it looks good, just click export as PDF, and boom, your invoice is ready to download and send. And that's it, quick, free, and super professional. Follow for more useful AI tools and tutorials. Because here, AI does the work and you keep the cash.